Friends, many youths today are saying Godse was great, Gandhi was wrong. But let's stop and think. This is not true. This thinking is coming from half knowledge, not full truth. At that time, British Army in India was not full of British people. 80 to 90% of soldiers were Indians only. That means, if we tried to fight British with swords and guns, we would actually fight our own brothers. Indian versus Indian. Brother killing brother. What will we get? Only blood and dead bodies. Gandhi understood this very well. He was like a psychologist. He studied people's minds. He knew ordinary Indians, farmers, women, poor people, cannot all pick up guns. But everyone can fight without violence, by refusing to buy British goods, by joining Salt Satyagraha, by doing protest marches, by saying no to British rule. This way, millions of people joined freedom struggle. That is real power. Some youths today say Gandhi gave India to Pakistan. Wrong. Gandhi was always against partition. Partition happened because of Muslim League and Jinnah's demand, not because of Gandhi. British were weak after World War. They wanted to leave quickly. Gandhi agreed half-heartedly because he thought, if British stay longer, they will become strong again and never leave. So he accepted partition with pain, not with happiness. Godse may have thought he was correct. But truth is, he killed the wrong person. If he was angry about partition, why kill Gandhi? Gandhi never wanted it. Killing Gandhi did not solve anything. It only gave more pain to India. Till today, the world remembers Gandhi with respect and remembers Godse only for violence. Today's youth are not even ready to give one drop of blood for the nation. Still, they praise Godse without knowing history. Real patriotism is not about killing, it is about building. Gandhi showed us that India can win by truth and unity, not by killing each other. Today is Gandhi Jayanti. If you really respect the nation, don't waste time praising violence. Do something useful. Join Swachh Bharat, support your village economy, adopt Gandhi's good ideas of peace and honesty.